Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Audi Allroad Quattro C5. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. The compressor is located in front of the spare tire well underneath the vehicle. Remove the 3 mounting nuts from the underside of the compressor. Then remove the protective cover. The compressor is held on with 3 nuts, 1 on each isolator. The isolators will be reused on the new assembly. Disconnect the 3 electrical plugs, airline, and intake air hose from the compressor. One plug is on the solenoid while the other 2 are positioned to the right. Now remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Remove the old compressor from the vehicle to complete the removal. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Audi air suspension compressor with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.